So guys, how to create a YouTube channel to start getting views instantly like that one. The day number 1, we've published the first video, already got some traction, 34 views, which is pretty decent. In case you're not getting such statistics and your view counter is still freezed, probably consider recreating your YouTube channel in the following way I will show you right now. I will create for you not a random stuff, but a pretty decent channel you will probably like to subscribe by the end of this video. Subscribe, like, and let's dive into. And our journey starts right here on the creating of Google account, and you might be considering whether you should use already existing one or create a new one. And the short answer, it depends. It depends on what you've been using this Google account already for. In case it's your personal account that you've been using only for browsing the internet, watching other YouTube channels and emailing, that's totally okay. In case you've been using this account for other YouTube services or Google services like Google Ads, Google AdSense, or you have created other YouTube channels related to this Gmail, I strongly recommend you to create a new one. Even if it's crystally transparent and you didn't violate any rules. Rules themselves evolve, and something you've been doing 1 year ago can become illegal right now. Follow one simple rule. One YouTube account, one Google account, that's pretty much it. And the email. Never say it to anyone due to privacy concerns, due to safety concerns. Create any email and keep it private and don't tell it to anyone, okay? And it all starts right here. Hit create an account and pick for my personal use, not for my business, neither for my child. Name and surname, pick the real one. For me, it's Uladzislau Kazyra, because it won't be the real title of your YouTube channel, it's just the name attached to your Google account. The password, 12345678. The best option. Boom! We've created our Google account, it's ready for use, but before creating the YouTube channel, one more safety concern that you have to resolve. Two-step verification. We have to add the two-factor oath, and I usually don't use the telephone number. You just upload the two-oath application on your smartphone and just click plus, set up oath, scan QR code. It's ready to use, and I can use now this Google Auth application for every single login whenever and wherever I need that. Now go to youtube.com and pick the channel and pick the account we have created just now and click YouTube Studio. And now the second very important step is picking the name of your YouTube channel. And a lot of YouTube gurus will probably recommend you add some SEO queries to your name like Vlad Kazyra, all about YouTube promotion expert.com. No way. Your name should be unique and catchy, as simple as it is. And if you create a YouTube channel dedicated to your personality, you should just pick your real name and surname. It's the best branding ever. Hewlett-Packard, Philips, a lot of brands, and you will always own your personal name. So in case it's your personal channel, pick your personal name. But in my case, I'm creating a YouTube channel not dedicated to the personality, but to the exact topic. And the second one about picking the YouTube niche. I know that a lot of beginners being concerned by somebody else has already created the pretty same YouTube channel already, so there is no sense of creating the second one. Yes? No, it's completely vice versa. In case nobody ever before has created any single YouTube channel on the topic you want to create a YouTube channel is a very bad sign. Guys, let's not be delusional. I presume your name is not Nikola Tesla. Probability and possibility that you have created something really revolutionary on the market of content once creating a brand new YouTube channel is really low. So in case there is anyone who has created the pretty same YouTube channel is a huge evidence of your potential success. It's just the one more evidence that this content is already demanded on the platform. The more competitive your niche is, the more traffic and the more demand on this topic on YouTube right now. So create a YouTube channel that other people already created. This is a very good sign. Our channel will be about the longevity. This is mental health, psychological health, either physical health. We call it with the unique name Longevify. It's searchable, it's catchy, and it's closely related to its topic. There is no other YouTube channel called Longevify. It's a free name, it's a free spot, but that we just pick it up. And you can pick the handle. It actually depends on nothing. Select picture. We will create a logo of our channel later. Create channel. Click the button. Boom! It's ready. Welcome to YouTube Studio. Thank you so much, YouTube. So here we see the huge, probably complicated for the beginners panel, which is not so. You're probably thinking about any kind of complicated settings that simply do not exist. I mean, the country of residence. Nobody gives a fuck. Just don't pick any. It doesn't matter. Or pick the one you're living in. Keywords. The main thing I already mentioned. It shouldn't be searchable by any queries like health, like how to cure your liver, or how to prevent aging, or how to reverse aging. It should be very simple. Longevity. This is the first tag of the channel that should be required. And any other tag that you include right now is just the wrong misspelling of your YouTube channels. No, this channel is not made for kids. You probably want to get the monetization in full amount, not only 10%, because once you pick this channel is made for kids, you will not get the suggestions. Your channel will be transferred to a specific section of YouTube called YouTube Kids, where is specific traffic, no ads, and just don't do that. Intermediate features, you just should verify your phone number and add your phone number, because it will allow you set up a custom thumbnail. Great. My phone number has been verified. This is one more that we have to complete in order to be permitted to set up the external links. In case you're creating any kind of business, you probably would like to attach the landing page of your service or simply lead the traffic to your personal Instagram page. Isn't it good to distribute your traffic to all of your accounts and across all of the social networks, isn't it? So we have to do that. And the most convenient way to do that is to proceed the video verification. Let's scan the QR code. Agree. Next. Hello. Okay. I start. Up. Okay, your video is in review. Hopefully the review will be successful. And also guys, in case you want to get more views, in case you want to make better videos, just proceed the link in the description. I've developed it myself. It's called Viral. It's actually gives you the ability to become viral on YouTube. There are a bunch of YouTube agents that actually can assist you to browse new topics, to script writing. Like you may write a proper script in 15 minutes, just giving the task to AI agent, and it will write pretty catchy script that will provide you good retention. And all of you're doing, you're just prompting and get the proper script. I think it's amazing. Then you have avatar clips, which means that you can upload your own video and clone yourself with Cdance 2.0 or Cdance 2.5. It depends on you. You just copy your script and generate the videos without even filming it, without recording.
A year ago, I did something that honestly sounds a little stupid.
Everything you can watch on the YouTube channel AI Master or on YouTube channel Longevity was made with this pipeline. There is actually no difference between the real video and between the generated one because of our technology. Then you can even switch to the editor and ask AI agent to build up, to edit, to cut and paste any videos right here, and ask the editor agent to do anything like cut the pauses in my A roll, and it will actually cut the pauses itself without manual editing. Isn't it great? Now to the thumbnail section. Here you can see all the options, all the roadmap of creating that final option that we actually picked the video. For the video, everything has been made by AI and also publishing. This is a video about Google Gemini, and it generates you potentially viral thumbnail, potentially viral title. It also generates the SEO, the description, the tags that including all of the keywords. Let's look at the statistics of this Gemini video. It's already been published, 25,000 views, and it's continue gaining, and I think it will gain at least 100,000 or even more. The click-through rate is pretty high, retention not bad, so it actually works. Guys, Viral, I promise you, this is a revolutionary tool for creating your YouTube channel, and you definitely should try it in case you are just starting out, or even if you already have any audience. Definitely help you to leverage your input and produce even more videos. Do you know how many videos has been published on AI Master YouTube channel during the last month? 37. That's more than one video every day, and you can join the link in the description, and the registration is completely free. Just proceed to the link below, register, create your YouTube channel with Viral right now. Let's jump up to our YouTube channel customization, upload the logo of your channel. It's simply the face of our host. It's super easy. What about the banner? Doesn't matter at all. It will not gain you views. It will not optimize you. It will not rank you higher than any other channels. What will make the difference, I will tell you a little bit later. It's not the banner, it's not the case, so just don't create it. Now, the description. As I told you before, what was the main requirement to our SEO of our YouTube channel? Exactly, the searchability. So the first word included in the description should be simply the name of your YouTube channel. Longevify is a channel about longevity, okay, and well-being. Super easy, amazing, I love it. And now external links. The link I will attach to this YouTube channel will be an external link of our media group, master.me collab. This is our website of our media group. We create a lot of channels, we sell a lot of types of advertising, we make native product placement, product walkthrough. Actually, we are a digital company which provides other brands with the videos, and a lot of different brands buy our videos and we publish it to our YouTube channels. Add your contact email, but just make sure not to attach your real email, your email of this YouTube channel. Simply saying this must be an email you are ready to lose, okay? So the publish, okay, super easy, boom, done. So hopefully on the moment you're watching this video, this channel not only displaying its logo and description, it probably also got some first subscribers, hopefully so. Now also upload defaults, just make sure that any video you are uploading to YouTube channel will not go to public by a chance before you set it up. So that is why set the visibility unlisted as an upload default. And also tag. Of course, you already know that your default tag should be the brand tag of your YouTube channel. Okay, save, publish. And you might already notice that there is nothing special in my way of creating a YouTube channel. There are not so many important checkboxes you shouldn't forget about. The main thing to start getting views and to start getting traction is just the upload the first video on the first day of your YouTube channel created and upload the second video on the second day. So what do I mean? The amount of content that you upload on your channel actually matters, and your channel itself doesn't bring you any first single views. Don't tell anyone the name of your YouTube channel. Don't ask your parents, neither your friends, to subscribe it before you have some audience on it and before your channel got some traction. Even if your first video about longevity will be how to cure your liver, and you have sent it to your friend or to your mother and they have been just watching, I don't know, SpongeBob or football, YouTube will consider your channel for some reason consider to sports content or to cartoons, and will probably test the first impressions on this random audience. Do you understand what I mean? So make sure to get the very first views in a very native way. You might be concerned, like, how will I get these first views in case I don't have any subscribers? Guys, it doesn't work like that. Your subscribers don't bring you views and impressions. Your views and impressions brought by YouTube gives you subscribers. That's pretty much it. How does it actually work? Yes, how to clean your liver was the first video being published on this channel. Let's jump to the Reach tab and go to see more. Impressions. Look here, the first day I got 600 impressions, not views, impressions only. Then 70 impressions, then a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more, and then a certain critical mass of audience being collected under this video. So every single views we've got on this video came from the organic promotion from YouTube itself. Do you understand how does it work? The new audience comes to our channel because YouTube start to suggest our channel almost to everyone. So then the second video, the third video, the fourth video, we have already published 11 videos. Now we have 182 subscribers. We have almost 1,000 of watch time, and we are like 30% of getting monetization, of getting monetized. It takes a while, and the thing you should know, all of these settings and checkboxes doesn't really matter too much. The second one, you should upload the videos. So this particular YouTube channel started getting traction without any magic links, without any magic pillows. And in case you want me to upload the first video and show you what this video should be look like, what this video, like what lengths of the video you should upload, like how to write a script, how to edit your video, just let me know in the comment section below which topic would you like to see from me first. I will do exactly what will you say. So, my name is Uladzislau Kazyra. Hopefully you have created your YouTube channel successful, now ready to upload your first video. I hope that my example and our channel Longevify has inspired you a little bit. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.